Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Baking with Christian. Well, I am going to be making hearty pretzel dippers with the easy bake oven. So first things first, make the glaze. To make the glaze, pour one and mix. Pour 1 egg, mix and 2 tablespoons. Stir the mixture with a spoon and set it aside for later.
Okay, ooh, careful your mixture. So, what are you doing now?
Well, after pouring in the egg wash into the small bowl, it says to pour water in the 2 tablespoons of water in the same bowl.
Okay.
And then we stir.
Why don't you put some arm muscle in there and whisk it? There you go.
Weird sight to see, huh? Pour 1 pretzel mix and 4 teaspoons of water into a bowl. Stir and press the mixture together until you form the dough. Spoons of water, of course.
So your water's right there. It's already pre-measured. So it's kind of similar to making it, once you mix it, it clumps up together. And it kind of reminds me of Play-Doh. So you're going to make it into a big ball.
We'll place on there?
Yeah, so now you're going to place your bowl onto your pan. You could just move that out the way since you're finished with that. Okay. Okay. And now it says that you have to make 6 balls. So make 6 little balls out of that. Okay.
Whoops.
All right, samurai. Alright, that's smart. You separating them into pieces. And they might not be all the same size, which is fine. Now you're gonna make them into bowls. Remember, in the middle of your palm, get some more flour. How you really feel? You can tell us how you really feel about this. So what's our next step?
Choose what kind of pretzel you want to make. Twist, nuggets, or sticks.
So what do you want to do?
Twist.
Twist. Ooh, so you have some twisting skills?
Not sure.
Alright. Okay. So now we need to put some salt on it. Okay. So we're gonna slide it in. Slide it in to the chamber. Alright. Hold up. You need parental guidance. Please keep note, this is our first time using this, and this is the classic Easy Bake Oven. Inside is a chamber, and you want to get it in there because this is really hot. It's supposed to go inside of this chamber, but unfortunately it's not budging. Okay, so it does go in. Alright, so I'm gonna try something that's not recommended, but the door does open. If you can like get into in there so they can see what they're talking about. You see that chamber? Yeah, so that has to open up. When I was using this little tool that comes with it, it was hard to budge in. So I'm gonna try it like so. Like I said, kids, do not do this at home.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
It's in. And it did
12 minutes.
All right, 12 minutes. So we're gonna set the timer for 12 minutes.
These pretzels, salty, twisted pretzels.
All right. And what did you use to make it?
Easy Bake Oven.
Awesome. All right. So was it fun?
Yes.
All right. So what should we tune in to see more videos?
AXD Cool Crafts and Gaming on YouTube.
All right. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.
We're going to eat Christian's pretzels he made. They're good.
They're just tiny, but they're so delicious.
No.
I like them because they're crunchy and they have just the right amount of salt on them.
And they're salty.
All right.
Not too much, not too little.
And I love the flavor. There's going to be a second part.
Like, and subscribe.